Working from home has never been easier thanks to the internet. Millions of people now have access to a computer, access to the web, and an array of online businesses that offer them the opportunity to earn money from the comfort of their own home. With the recession still fresh in everyone's mind, it is very easy to see why more people are turning to online business as a way to help themselves eliminate debt and achieve financial stability. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to earn money online for full-time jobs. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. While some may doubt the ability of an internet business to bring in a stable income, the statistics do not lie. The fact is that the internet is one of the most powerful forces in the world of business. It is true that you will need a computer and a working internet connection to open a business, but these are all resources that you can create for yourself. Many people will start their search for online work by looking at jobs in their city. This is helpful because it gives them a starting point, but it is not the only place to look. If you have access to the internet and an account on an online job site, there are literally hundreds of online opportunities waiting for you. These full-time jobs also have another benefit: they are usually free to join and give you a chance to work around your schedule. Another way of earning money online for full-time jobs is to sell products online through auction sites like eBay or Amazon. There are literally thousands of products that you can sell on these sites. Many people start online auctions to help supplement their income while they build up their own business, and others use them to generate a second income. If you are looking for part-time online work, then affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money from home. There are thousands of companies out there who need someone just like you to promote their products, and they pay you commissions for every sale that you make. Affiliate marketing is a simple and fast method for making money from home with no experience. If you have a blog or website where you regularly post content, then this could be the perfect way for you to begin getting paid to advertise products online. With the right knowledge, you will easily be able to find profitable affiliate marketing jobs. If you enjoy writing online articles, there is always the option of freelance writing. Freelance writing jobs are perfect for those with good spelling and grammar skills, are patient, and enjoy writing about a topic that they are passionate about. There are many different types of article writing jobs, from web design to copywriting and everything in between, so make sure that you spend some time online searching for opportunities that you can apply for. If you have creative skills and enjoy painting, there is always the option of taking photos and uploading them to websites. This is a great way to get started earning money on the internet, but you will need a camera and a little bit of photography experience to make money. You can either sell the pictures that you take or start your own website that features these pictures. Either way, you'll be posting digital copies of your work on popular sites such as Facebook and Easy. The last of the easy ways to earn money online for full-time jobs is becoming an online affiliate marketer. If you already have a website or blog, then you can use it as the link between your site and other companies. By signing up as an affiliate, you can easily earn commissions by promoting their products on your site. You are basically paid whenever someone clicks on one of your links and purchases something from that company. It is a very easy way for you to make money online, but you must be willing to put in the time and effort in order to become successful. These are just a few of the simple methods that you can use in order to earn money online for full-time jobs. While some of them require a lot of time and effort, others may not require much effort at all. What you should really focus on is finding the ones that fit your needs best. Once you do that, you'll be on your way to making a full-time living online. Thanks for watching my video about how to earn money online for full-time jobs. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.